Now, there's one part of the county those visitors really almost never see, and that is the Las Vegas Wash.
I think you're correct in saying that. Over the years, the Wash has become somewhat of a dumping ground for just about anything. But now an effort is underway to clean it all up. News 13's Dave Malkoff has more complete coverage.
In the windy silence of eastern Clark County, where only layers of tamarisk brush grow, you'll find the tattered remains of someone's old ride that doesn't roll anymore.
One of the problems with having an isolated area like this is people start using it as an auto graveyard.
Tonight, the grave robbers are on the way, casting their hooks into the Wash, fishing for junk.
Well, we need to get these old abandoned cars out of here and clean it up for the public.
For years, these junkers have been out here rusting and leaking fluids into our water supply.
Oil and engine oil, antifreeze.
You know, they can wash down and actually get into the Las Vegas Wash, and that's not good for the environment.
Now, one by one, these guys are moving the mess.
Gotta go in the front.
It's been a long time since this car and its hood were one piece.
Right.
And now, for the first time in a long time, it's moving again. But not completely out of the Wash yet. You see, some of these cars have a criminal past. Metro will have to check the VIN numbers for that. But most are just trash, headed to the junkyard where they belong. Just outside the Las Vegas Wash, Dave Malkoff, News 13, inside Las Vegas.
So who pays for the cleanup? It's a team effort by city, county, and federal workers. Every day, an average of 135 million gallons of water flows through that wash directly into Lake Mead.